Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find watch video history on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to menu option on the top right corner. Then simply scroll down and click on setting and privacy and then click on settings. And in this section you just simply scroll down and your information tab click on activity log. Then in this section, you just again scroll down and log action in other activities. So simply click on that. And here you just see the option of videos you have watched. So simply click on that. And here you will see all of your watch video history on Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.